Interesting day with Zebec. My morning started like this. Bullish, Green Bull, ZBCN, Bullish Tuesday. And then from there, the news broke that Zebec had to apologize. It kind of broke my heart, but not really, because I understand the potential that Zebec has. We will be covering what happened with this announcement with Zebec today. Momentarily. This is why I actually didn't want to try to go live. I have issues with the computer today, so a big announcement came out. But I'm going to run with this one, unless it's not loading. Yes, it is loading. Okay. So, the Zebec announced that statement by the Zebec team regarding the White Rock announcement. The White Rock announcement. We regret that the factual error contained in the joint partnership announcement with White Rock. We were misinformed about the nature of the relationship between White Rock and World Liberty Financial. We acknowledge that we should have independently verified this information. Zebec has issued a formal apology to the leadership of World Liberty Financial and to our community. We deeply value the trust, guidance, and goodwill of our partner and the broader crypto community. Going forward, we will strengthen our due diligence process to ensure that the projects we associate with reflect the standard and reputation we uphold at Zebec. So how did this start? Why, when, how? Zack Witkoff, who's on the board at World Liberty, which we talked about, the Witkoffs, billionaire, real estate mogul investors, co-founder of World Liberty, Zack Witkoff. He actually was questioning this relationship with White Rock, and okay. And this is the response, actually. This is new to me. Appreciate the clearing the air with Zebec. It turns out White Rock purposely misled the team at Zebec. Shame on you, White Rock. But Zebec, we're in there. So Zebec challenge. I actually issued the 100K Zebec challenge, 100K for 100. Zebec, and I've been issuing challenges on this channel since 2017 and creating crypto content since 2017. So make sure you guys subscribe. And I'm telling you, I truly believe the Zebec challenge will be something extraordinary. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Statement by the team. Oh, that was beautiful for... Okay, so Zack Witkoff is actually retweeting Zebec. That's even better, because if you got Zack Witkoff, appreciate clearing the air, Zebec, this could be a big thing. It seemed like Witkoff could be behind this. This is something we're cooking with Zebec. Statement from the Zebec team regarding the White Rock announcement. And now Zack Witkoff retweets it. This is something kind of interesting right here. So guys, you know we have been down the Zebec rabbit hole for quite some time. And we was down the White Rock rabbit hole. And I apologize also if anybody got misled through the announcement from Zebec with White Rock and World Liberty. And we talked about that on the previous live stream. And we go live every day at 1. So, I'm trying to just... Okay, so I was going to go to the previous video real quick to show you guys what we were talking about yesterday, where I said, boom, CKJ did it again. Melting portfolios is my hobby. White was up 70% yesterday, and we first noticed it in the morning live stream at 1 p.m. at 0.0, so 3 zeros and a 4. And pretty much when we went live last night around 8, the price then doubled. It was up 70%. Now you see why melting portfolios is my hobby, but why they also call me the hidden gem hunter. Also the hidden gem hunter. Very interesting there. Also screenshots to prove the price at 0.0005. You go back one, a few hours later, the price rose to 0.0008. Melting portfolios is my hobby. Also, I did not know XPMarket had... Did you know you can refer a friend on XPMarket? That's very interesting, because XPMarket is where you get XRZiLLas Did you know you can refer a friend, your audience, and friends to XPMarket to earn rewards? I will put my referral link in the description for XPMarket. Make sure you guys hit my link. Wow, the #1 DeFi platform XPMarket now has referral link. Check out my link below. Refer a friend. But all jokes aside, guys, tomorrow set a reminder for tomorrow. Now this is kind of interesting. Let's talk about this referral link real quick, because it was a big thing with First Ledger having a referral link. I always thought XPMarket should have a referral link because people like to be incentivized. So what are you waiting for? Head over to XPMarket. Good deal. Guys, don't forget, tomorrow set reminder for the biggest event in the history of humanity. XPMarket X Space is live tomorrow. Hodl XPM on XPMarket. XPMarket Lounge Space live tomorrow. Looking forward to that. Oh, XRZiLLas, a global movement. XPF, the greatest asset ever created on XRP. XPF location, XPMarket. Interesting. XPF. Congratulations, Crypto Trooper, who won 100K XPF. And actually, guys, I want to give away 100K XPF for a commenter on this video. So we will pick a winner for 100K XPF tomorrow, live stream at 1 p.m. But for this video, a commenter on the comments below will win 100K XPF free entry. Just comment below to enter. XRZiLLas. XPF. CKJ. Creating crypto content since 2017. I'll actually show you one more thing before we go, because I actually have a hell of a time making videos today and I actually cleaned the computer up. So I'm thinking that this video better record good. XPMarket, this is how you access XRZiLLas. You go to XPMarket on Twitter, link in the description below. XPMarket blend GameFi DeFi on XRPL. You click xpmarket.com, link right here, and this will take you to the swap. You go to the swap on this side, you try to swap XPF, and that's how you set the trust line for XRZiLLas. And also,